Hello guys, what's up? Croatian travelers are back. Today I will visit Rotterdam. Train route between Amsterdam and Rotterdam is 40 minutes long, and trains going every 30 minutes. The return ticket costs 40 euros. Rotterdam is the second largest city in the Netherlands, after Amsterdam, with a population of approximately 700,000, and is a great destination for a day trip or weekend getaway. Rotterdam hosts many events, festivals and concerts, such as the Summer Carnival, International Film Festival and the World Port Days. They call it one of the world's greatest festival cities. The city is full of modern and unique architecture, and the central station is one such building. The new terminal was opened in 2014, and its architecture has become iconic. When someone mentions Rotterdam, the first thing you will think about is the harbor. And yes, for the last 50 years, here was the busiest seaport in the world. I think last 10-15 years is in Shanghai. Rotterdam is a little smaller than Amsterdam, but have totally different vibe. This is now one ultra-modern city, and in this video I will show you the new Rotterdam. The city of Rotterdam is a perfect getaway from crazy Amsterdam. Here you will not wait in huge lines for a restaurant. Very few tourists coming here, and is not overcrowded. The Maritime Museum is one of the largest in the world, with a huge collection of cartography, maritime memorabilia and art. The museum is in central Rotterdam near the Marktaal and the Cube houses. Some of the interesting exhibitions include a controversial painting of the Battle of Trafalgar, a collection of figureheads from various ships, and the different navy uniforms and flags from sea battles. You didn't see Rotterdam if you didn't see the Erasmus Bridge, located only a 10-minute walk from the Maritime Museum. It is one of the most fascinating things to see in Rotterdam. In the summer months, you can cross the bridge and visit the floating forest. I hope I will catch the boat. Now it's 2:44 and the boat leaving at 2:45. The tour is 75 minutes long, and the ticket cost 16 euros. Boat tours are a great way to view the port, and you will see many immense cargo ships, storage facilities and boat yards. You will be blown away by the scale and operation of this industrial marvel. Since 1300s, the port of Rotterdam has developed and served as a major port of the Dutch East India Company. During World War II, Rotterdam saw extensive bombing, and this center was almost completely destroyed. However, after this, the city was slowly rebuilt and once again stands as a modern port. The port is huge beyond belief and is a fascinating place to visit. This is unbelievable. I visited huge seaports like in Miami and LA, but this one is on another level. The SS Rotterdam is a large ocean liner originally known as the Grand Dane and constructed in the 50s. The ship was one of the last lavishly decorated liners and was finally retired in 2000. Over the years, the ship has had many names aside from the Grand Dane, including the Rembrandt, and now rests in Rotterdam as a combined hotel and museum. Okay guys, I need to sit. First, it's not easy to impress me. I did see and I did visit many marvelous places. But this boat ride is the best spent 16 euros in this year by far. Unbelievable. You must see this with your own eyes. I think video will not show you how huge is this. Aside from its fascinating port, Rotterdam also features some fantastic architecture, like the modern cube buildings and the Euromast Tower. But it also has a wonderful variety of museums, eateries and activities to enjoy. I think I explored the majority of the city. I'm walking almost 8 hours without stopping, still didn't eat anything or drink. I went to boat tour, visited Maritime Museum, and now I want to visit one more place. This is Market Hall or Markthal, and is really impressive. The Market Hall, constructed in 2009, is 11,000 square meters of remarkable architecture that combines luxury apartments, offices, shops and an incredible food market. It really is a cool and vibrant place to explore and sample some fine food and drink. Artwork located in the Market Hall is the biggest artwork in the world. On a main level is market, but under the ground, 3 levels down, is shopping mall. And I don't know guys, can you see the windows there? Those are apartments, people live inside. It's time to rest, so let's go to American bar and grill. I'm back to American food and ribs. The full rack cost 25 euros, so almost the same like in US. Too bad little traveler is not with me today, because this is one of his favorites back home. Also guys, my watch says 18 miles in 10 hours. That's a lot, but still is not my record. My record was in Washington DC, 24 miles in 12 hours. I'm back to Central Station. From Market Hall to Central Station in Rotterdam is 20 minutes walk. But guys, if you don't want to walk like me, Rotterdam has subway and streetcars, but you will miss many interesting places between the stations. Guys, that's everything from Rotterdam. This was a fun and exciting day. Thank you for watching, and see you next week with my new adventure. Bye!